Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be washing my hair together, and this is just me combing through my hair, just kind of detangling it. And right here I'm trying to rinse out all the sweat I got from the gym. I'm a little bit of a gym addict. Okay, so yeah, and you can see that on my hand. You can see the muscles, right? Yeah, so I'm just rinsing out the sweat I got from the gym before going in with my shampoo. So right now, I love that. So right now, I'm just gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Strength and Restore shampoo, and I almost dropped it, but I pick it up right back, and I'm trying to get it out, but I forgot it was new, so I had to do something. But yeah, you guys know I'm like 2 weeks post relaxed. I've been natural for 5 years, and this is during my first time trying to wash my hair after I put relaxer on it. So I'm just gonna apply the shampoo on my scalp and scrub it in. Make sure I get all the um areas of my scalp, and I'm also gonna try to detangle again with my comb. I have no or little hair on my scalp, so I don't have problems combing through when it's wet. So I rinsed it out and I go in again with the shampoo the second time, and this time I'm more generous. And yeah, I'm just gonna wash through it and show you guys how I did that. Again, I'm combing it. I don't have any shedding at all because like I said, I have little or no hair at all on my scalp. So right here I'm just gonna scrub, massage my scalp and rinse it out. Yeah, rinse it all out, guys. And the shampoo is so good. I'm gonna recommend it. It feels good on the scalp, it smells nice, and yeah. So right now I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner. It's the same brand, the Shea Moisture conditioner. Yeah, and I'm just gonna apply it again 2 times. And we have the same problem here, guys. I was trying to get it out and I'm smiling and it's not funny, guys. I tried to get it out. I couldn't, so I just kind of opened the whole thing and just get it on my scalp basically. And yeah, I love conditioner because conditioner is like the sweet part of your hair. That's what makes your hair like really soft. And this conditioner got the job done. I really loved it. It smelled nice. It made my hair feel nice. And you guys are just gonna see in the moment. So that's just me putting this conditioner, distributing it to every part of my hair. I'm gonna comb through because I want the conditioner to get to every part of my hair. That's my main reason of combing it. So I left it for 3 minutes, and here is me rinsing it out. And guys, the lighting keeps coming back, and I mean the lighting was just messing my video, but we're gonna roll with it anyway. So that's me rinsing it out the first time, and the second time I'm going in again and I applied it to generously this time to every part of my hair. I tried to scrub my scalp, massage my scalp, and get any dandruffs out. So here's me just combing through again, and yeah, so see, there's no shedding at all. I don't have no shedding, and I'm gonna leave it for 2 minutes and wash it all out. Yes, I love combing my hair while it's wet, guys. I don't have any problems with it. So yeah, that's just rinsing it out, no shedding, and I'm gonna go in with my mayonnaise. This one is by African Best, I believe, and it's really good. And guys, I'm gonna list every product that I use in the description box below. So I like to like put my hair into section and apply the mayonnaise because this one, the one that I'm using has protein, has a lot of good things in it, guys. I'm gonna list them in the description box because I don't want this voice over to be boring. So I'm just gonna apply it to my hair. I distributed it evenly, guys. I make sure I did that, and I'm gonna comb through to get the conditioner in my hair. So, and after that, I'm gonna just wrap my hair around and put on my shower cap to seal in the moist. I left it for 20 minutes and I'm back. After 20 minutes, I washed my body. I didn't want to show you guys how I rinsed that off, but I basically rinsed it off. And this is me just trying my hair with an old t-shirt. And I'm going in with my Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner that I've been using since I was natural. I put it in my hair, makes my hair soft, and I felt, oh, it was gonna still be good for relaxed hair. And this has been going in with another oil of my choice. I use this all the time when I was natural. It's an argan oil, and I'm just gonna distribute it on my hair and let my hair dry. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next clip. Guys, I literally just, flat iron my hair a little bit, not like it wasn't intense or anything, and put it in a bun because I'm headed to an event. But yeah, that's it. That's literally my wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys later.